Hey guys, my name's Seb and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the best video quality for your TikTok videos. Now, if you saw my last two videos on how to make better TikTok videos and how to edit TikTok videos in Premiere Pro, well, you might be wondering why exactly I'm making this video. Well, to tell you the truth, there's actually a secret setting that I never showed you guys, and that's what we're going to be covering today. But if you're new to the channel, my name's Seb. I post weekly content based around videography, video editing, and photography. If that sounds interesting to you, then hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't seen the last two videos, I do recommend you check them out. But let's get right into the video. Alright guys, welcome to the editing desk. Now, like I said, I'm going to show you this awesome hack to get the best video quality for your TikTok videos. But beforehand, I'm going to quickly go over the Premiere Pro export settings once again for those of you who haven't seen it before, and then we'll jump straight into the hack. I'm also going to add a little timestamp in the description if you just want to jump straight to that. But let's get straight into Premiere Pro. I'll quickly show over the export settings. Alright, so let's jump straight into the export settings by pressing Ctrl M. Just to quickly go over it, all you have to do is make sure your width is 1080 by 1920, make sure render at maximum depth is selected, then scroll down to your bitrate and make sure it's VBR past 2, and then put that to 8 and 8 and select maximum render quality. Once you've done that, just press export and then we'll jump straight into the hack. Alright, once you've exported your video, put it somewhere safe because you're going to need it in just a minute. But before that, download this software called Handbrake. It's 100% free. I'll put a link of it in the description down below. But basically what Handbrake is a video compression software, and it's going to make your file size like 80% smaller. And this is really going to help on TikTok side because they're going to compress your video even less, which basically means that your video quality is going to be even better. Now I'm going to show you the settings I use for my TikTok videos. This also works for Instagram, so keep this in mind, but let's jump straight into Handbrake. Alright, once you've opened up Handbrake, just drag your file in here. Now your default preset is going to be fast 1080 by 30. We're going to want to change that and select production standard. Now select web optimized and align AV start. Go through your dimensions and make sure it's 1080 by 1920. Then go straight to video settings and make sure your frame rate is set as source, and select average bitrate and make sure the 2 pass is selected. Then go to optimize video and change it from fast to very fast. Now all you have to do is press start encoding. Now, as you can see, this is the first file and this is the second file, and you can see there's a huge difference in file size. The original file is 8,363 and the compressed file is 1,160. Now the video quality is the exact same, but it's just been compressed to a smaller file size. Now this is really going to help with TikTok because TikTok's going to have to do less work on their end. They're not going to have to compress your video as much because it's already been done. And now this is really good because you're keeping the video quality to the exact standard that you want, and TikTok isn't going to be able to compress it to a really small file size because you've already done that for them, and that's going to help you keep your video quality. So that's the hack, guys. If you did enjoy the video, do hit the like button, and if you haven't already, then subscribe. This also works with Instagram and Facebook, so if you feel that your videos are getting compressed over there and you don't like it, use Handbrake and it will really help your video quality. But anyway guys, my name's been Seb. If you did like the video, hit the like button, and if you haven't already, then subscribe, and I'll see you next week.